Hello.
Hello.
This is my wonderful tenant. Before we know it, he was out. Not because he wanted to be out, but because he was sent out. We didn't like it because he was a very wonderful tenant, like family. This man here took me to my father's house with his car and brought me back when I came home how many years ago. And today he came to say hello to me because he had me and daddy was around. I just want you guys to see how wonderful it is to appreciate him and to say thank you for remembering us. Because if we had treated him badly, he would not come today to say hello to us, right?
Yes.
But because we saw him, we took him like our family. Even though he's living in our property, we still loved him and we still took him and his family like they are our own. His wife was literally asking me, Mommy, kini ma se fun yin? Mommy, Mom, I said, don't worry. I'm a simple woman, but I like people. This world is a small world. It's good to treat everybody well because you don't know who you will meet tomorrow that will help you. I'm grateful that you came to say hello to us. We love you, we always love you. As long as you're here, we are going to be inviting you. Whenever we are around, we will let you come. If there's anything we are doing, we'll make sure your family is part of it.
Thank you, ma.
Today we are doing renovation all over the place, you can see. We are doing renovation and you see the big house God is doing here. So it's good to be good. I tell people just be nice, no matter what your position is. Tomorrow who is small will be big. Who is big might be small. So let us be good to one another and God will bless us. Later on, come with your wife. Let me give her rice and give her whatever I have. I really appreciate you people.
Thank you,
God bless you. Yeah. Well done. And he's a fashion designer. Chidi, my love. Oh. I am in your mother-in-law's kitchen. Chidi, want them lay at this village woman. Oh. You guys, you will not know how much joy I have cooking in this village kitchen. Look at this village woman. Are you seeing the village woman? See, we have repaired the kitchen, Chidi. We are going to be painting it any moment. We are repairing the house. The painters are trying to paint. The painters are actually painting. I just want to show you. I want to show you myself this morning. I hope you're doing good. And it should. I am still cooking. Oh, this one is firewood cooking. See our roof. We are going to change all of this. We have started the renovation, but gradually God will help us get it to the extent. Pastor, welcome, sir. God bless you mightily, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm trying to do the kitchen work this morning. Yes. It's very necessary for the belly. And today we have a male in our kitchen that is cooking the jollof rice. And I'm supervising him, telling him how he's going to make this party jollof rice taste good. So this is our non-magic chicken. We're going to be opening it. Sorry about the gen. It's noisy around here. We are working here. So our pastor is cooking. Guys, I feel so much for Pastor Ifeanyi. The heat is too much and he's doing a great job. Trust me, the stew came out so delicious. Pastor pounded the peppers and the tomatoes and is making the stew. No wonder the wife cannot stay without seeing him around. It's such a blessing to see a man that can cook very well. So I'm helping him to put some Maggi chicken so we can proceed. You guys needed to see the egusi soup he made. It was so wonderful. You would think it's a woman that made that egusi soup. Everyone was licking their finger, including myself. Guys, see what humility can do. A pastor of a church, pastors of a church. How wonderful I am blessed to have them around me.
In Gucci's kitchen today. I'm privileged to be here. And I love learning. I love cooking as well. I get to do it.
Yes.
Guys, let's go there.
Yeah, let's go there. Kindly give this video a massive thumbs up. If you love this video, give it a massive thumbs up, guys. Guys, I've turned to village woman. We are cooking jollof rice in my mother-in-law's kitchen. Isn't that incredible? Yeah, we are cooking jollof rice in home, in the village kitchen. We are making jollof rice. Everybody's waiting to eat my food. All of them said they have been waiting. I said, okay, I will feed you people very well before I leave. So let's put some, yeah, I'm going to add some more Maggi. We have added everything here, all the spices. We have added fresh tomatoes. We have added fresh pepper, tin tomatoes, curry thyme, and all the seasonings that goes into my stew. If you have been following me in Gucci's kitchen, you will know very well what I like to use for my jollof rice. Our rice is washed by Pastor Ifeanyi, and in fact it's incredible. Pastor Ifeanyi is down to earth. His wife is enjoying, trust me. My brothers has always taken good care of me all the way. I am privileged to have brothers that loves me so very much. So here we have goat meat. We killed goat meat yesterday, so today we say let us make jollof rice. People are working here so that they can have some food to eat. Yeah. Pastor Fine, you are doing great. Pastor Wale, the video man. I will show you guys Pastor Wale, the video man. Everybody here has been doing great. All my pastors are incredible. Pastor, add some stew here. Add some more stew here. Such an incredible pastors I have around me. If you have a husband like Pastor Ifeanyi, honestly speaking, you better treat him very well, pray very well for him, and love him as much as you can. He is down to earth, he is wonderful, and I know there are several husbands out there that are wonderful, and if you're not, please learn today. Incredible. So where is the cover for this pot? Okay. Pastor, you come and add your rice. Add your rice, add water, turn it together. Pastor, bring that stick. Bring that stick, sir. Bring here. Let's add some oil. Nah. Hello, team again. Dalu, my dear. Yes, my dear. Cover. Okay, my dear. We need some more oil here. Okay. Pastor, one bottle. Nuna, can you please help me with this firewood? One more rice. Pastor, you can add the rice now. Don't touch firewood so that you can be able to add the rice. So that's the rice, it's been washed. So that's our rice, nicely washed by Pastor Ifeanyi. You can see another of my son. Let them see you, Chiboy. That's Chiboy right there. That's my son, my darling, darling, darling. All right, cool. I have soldiers, guys. You guys don't know I have soldiers. Let me help you. All right. Chiboy, we need 1 bucket of water for your fresh one. Who am I that I'm so loved? Everybody left what they are doing and surrounded me with love. Yeah, thank you. This is our goat broth. I'm going to add it. Pastor, your rice is going to taste amazing. I can see from the mixture. Oh my God, it's already smelling jollof. I'm so sorry about the noise. I'm so sorry. Pastor is adding the rice and turning the jollof. This is wonderful. This is a very good rice. Pastor bought this rice and so far it's a wonderful rice. Everything has changed in Nigeria, guys. We are running generator. There's no lights, guys. Fuel is 1,200 a liter, right?
Yes.
That was what they bought. 25 liter for how much? 30,000 and 36,000.
Yes.
Now, wow, this is really incredible. We need lights. We need fire here. Father, this rice is incredible. Pastor, good job, sir. Good job, Pastor. Good job, Pastor. A little bit. A little water. Because of the kind of rice. Pastor, we're going to use this one and stir it together. Mix it up so it is nicely mixed up. And here, Pastor, where? Here. I am so humbled and terrified at the kind of humility these pastors has. For you to be a good leader, you must be very humble, you must be very patient, you must be very accommodating. Some of you might be wondering why we are using small turning stick. I have big ones, I can't find them anymore. Some years ago I brought a lot of things home, but today I'm looking for all of my cooking utensils and some other things. Don't talk, Pastor Wale, to video cameraman.
That's all.
This one, a missionary work will come here.
Yes.
Not this one.
That's all.
Oh, wow.
Hobby and I will be traveling this evening, so we are waiting for the rice.
I need the Maggi.
Guys, Pastor Ifeanyi did a great job. We needed Maggi and he tasted it to say we needed Maggi. So we added some Maggi and here he's turning the rice again, and then we are going to cook this rice until it is ready.
Wow, Pastor Ifeanyi did a great job. Pastor, God bless you, sir. I am very grateful, for real. I am humble, the kind of people God put around me. They are taking good care of me. Look at my takeaway, my to-go. Not too much, sir. That's okay. We are grateful, sir. God bless you.
My husband and I are going out to our bar, so we're going to be eating our